Autodesk 2027 is out, new AI tool, faster performance, and of course, this works for both Windows and Mac. So the obvious question, can you get it for free? You can, but only if you do it the right way. And there is a route that will get you a virus. I will show you both, so you know exactly which one to use. Hey there everyone, welcome to Engineering Preetham, and in this quick video we're going to talk about how one can download and install Autodesk 2027 free, as well as for those free is not applied through legal way. Let's be honest, let's cover the free part because of there are a lot of misleading stuff out there. If you're a student, teacher or academic staff, Autodesk give you 1 year license for free, and it's not only limited to 1 year, you can renew it as long as you stay eligible. Simply verify you as a student or educator using your official educational ID, and you can utilize Autodesk product for free. All you need to do is you need to click here on education, and then here you can see step-by-step guide how you can get it for free. All here you need to do is you need to sign up. Alright, now let's talk about the second category, which is hobbyist. Unfortunately, Autodesk do not have any AutoCAD license for hobbyist. The only option you have is to go with 15 days free trial. And since I am also not student anymore, I can't also get it for completely free. Let's say I want to learn it, then Autodesk is generous enough to give you 15 days free trial. And in this video, you will just see, if you are not student, step by step how you can get Autodesk AutoCAD. Alright, so first of all, of course, you need to be in Autodesk website, and now click on sign in. Now here, I would suggest you to go with simpler path, which is sign in using Google. If you are doing it for the first time, you may also need to go through some additional step. Once you signed in, simply go back again in Autodesk website, click on product and click on view all product. Now here you can see all the product that belong to Autodesk are available. Now we need to go down here. Let's click here on explore free trials. And then if you go down here, you can see Autodesk is available. Simply click on download free trial, and then from here you can answer the question, and again it's going to give you this option to go to educational community if you are a student. So now let's click on next. Now from here you can choose your variant, and now click on next. Now you need to fill this information, and from here you can choose any option. And of course you need to fill all this information. I need to click on complete to submit. Now here we need to click on install. Click on accept. You can try Autodesk for 15 days for free. Now let's click on start download. And now I'm gonna click on open. Now click on install. Alright, so here you can see we have successfully completed the installation, and now it is asking us to restart, which is needed else your license will not be read properly by AutoCAD. So let me quickly restart my system. Alright, so I just restarted my system. Let's go here, let's type AutoCAD, and there you go. And I am pretty excited to test AutoCAD 2027 because of built-in Autodesk Assistant, which I am pretty excited to try and will be covering in next upcoming video. If you are new to Engineering Preetham and love to see engineering related content, then make sure you subscribe to Engineering Preetham, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.